What is up, everyone? And in this video we're using this suspension to put on this RC car and put them together. Let's start with putting the wheels on. We're going to do some extreme tests with this, so please leave a like and subscribe. Only a small percentage of you guys are actually subscribed, so please subscribe and hopefully we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Now I'm going to be putting the front suspension on. There's these little things dangling here. That's where I connect it in. And then once it's in, you twist so it locks in. And then I have to attach that to that. I'm going to skip this part out for you guys so you guys don't have to watch it. And the suspension is now done. Very jumpy. Redoes itself. It's raised, so it can probably get over a bit more rocks and go full driving better. The next thing we want to do is replace these two batteries that turbocharge it. First thing we want to do is put that in there. That's number 1 battery underneath. And that's number 2 battery. Now that has been done, let's take it for a rip. thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and stay tuned for more videos.